You know, going into the bad weather of winter, sometimes we worry about plants that will survive that weather. Well, we have some plants that are really welcome in this area, and they do so well. I'm with Sarah from Portland Nursery, and Sarah, you picked out a bunch of natives, which of course, they're going to do well.
Yes, they are a go-to if you want just like a low maintenance, easy care. We have quite a good selection here of native plants for this area. So what a native plant means, just to kind of back up a little bit, is that they're here naturally by Mother Nature. They're not able to grow here, but they're actually like, this is the best environment for them. And so that's really good for the environment because they don't need as much care, as much water, fertilizer, all that. So
right.
I have picked out a few. We have a lot more in the store, but we picked some of our top favorites.
Excellent. What do you have?
Yeah, so we're going to start out here with a Mahonia and Oregon grape. And this is actually our state flower, so
right.
It's a really good one here. It's got kind of this holly-like looking leaf, which gives it kind of that festive fall and winter look. And it's really known for its bright red color once the fall color turns. And it has berries in the winter, so it is a great one to feed pollinators in the winter.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And you know, there are some Mahonias that are called nativars, just to kind of add some other information. So nativars are actually made by breeders. And so it's a native plant that's crossed with another plant, and they have native blood in them, but they also have different bloodlines in them. So they're kind of natives, but not, you'd never see them in the woods.
They've got
in
native
Oregon.
parents,
Native parents, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So, but you have other native plants here. What else you have?
Yeah, so we've got here a salal, which has got just a really gorgeous leaf shape and texture to it. That grows to be kind of a smallish shrub. It's a good one for this area. Vine maple is the ever popular maple. Got a great fall color, just a great little tree. And then we've got some huckleberries, two different kinds of huckleberries here. Everybody loves to have something that's also edible.
Yeah.
Huckleberries are delicious. So as you can see, they can look kind of different. This one's more compact and stocky, and this one's got a little bit more of a dainty look to it.
And a taller growing habit, I think, too. So that's really interesting.
Yeah.
And I love that you have so many different textures. And I know that you always love to talk to us about texture because it's so important whenever you do any kind of landscaping in your garden. It makes it more interesting.
Yes, it definitely does. And it's it really pulls everything together because you have everything the same size and texture and color. The eye doesn't really focus and have that kind of dynamic there.
Right.
So here's another really great one.
Nice.
It's can be used as a screen opposed to maybe an arborvitae. It's a quick growing evergreen shrub. It's myrtle, or Pacific wax myrtle. And this is just a great one, a great alternative. We've also got some ferns down there in the
Beautiful.
front because
Love
they're
ferns.
just such a perfect, plant for this area. They've got such an elegant beauty about them, and these specific ones are evergreen,
Definitely.
which is a really nice touch as well.
And
to
you
have
have-
something evergreen that's small.
Right. You have deer fern and sword fern.
Yes.
And then you have two conifers here. So maybe we have like a larger area. So these conifers would really be good for that.
Yeah, because again, with the texture thing, they've got a very unique shape and texture that kind of just gives that different look, especially when you're working with natives. If you were to have an all-native garden, it's good to get that contrast in there somewhere because it's doable to have a gorgeous native garden, but you do have to think about the size and texture for it.
Well, definitely.
Yeah.
And this is white pine and western hemlock. Sarah, you really picked out a nice selection here, and you have a nice selection at both stores.
Yeah, yes, we do. At both stores, we have a great selection year-round. We've got a lot more than what's on this cart. So we've also got staff that can help you just make some decisions around a lot of this. So definitely come by, check us out, go online as well. We have some information. Yeah.
Well, there's the hint right there. So go to Portland Nursery, their website, and go to either store, or go to gardentime.tv, and we'll click you over. Thanks so much for all this information.
Thank you.